Have you ever felt stuck in the dating scene, wondering what could spark someone's interest? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. Hobbies are more than just fun ways to spend your free time. They're a reflection of your personality, passions, and interests. When you engage in activities you love, you naturally become more confident and attractive to others. In this video, we'll explore 9 hobbies that not only boost your confidence, but also enhance your appeal in the eyes of men. By the end, you'll understand the importance of hobbies in enhancing your attractiveness and how they can serve as conversation starters, build connections, and even spark romance. You don't want to miss this. Make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Cooking. Cooking is not just about preparing food, it's a delightful way to enhance your appeal and create meaningful bonding opportunities. When you cook for someone, you're sharing more than just a meal, you're sharing a piece of yourself. The act of cooking can foster deeper connections and create lasting memories. Think about hosting a dinner party. Not only do you get to showcase your culinary skills, but you also create an opportunity for laughter, conversation, and connection with men. Having culinary skills can be incredibly impressive to potential partners. Imagine the look on their face when you whip up a delicious dish from scratch. It shows that you're capable, nurturing, and willing to put in the effort to make someone feel special. Plus, cooking together can be a fun and flirty way to bond. Whether you're trying to tackle a new recipe or sharing family traditions, the kitchen can become a place of laughter and connection. If you want to enhance your attractiveness while having fun and exploring your creativity, cooking is a fantastic hobby to embrace. So why not try whipping up something special for your next date? It might just lead to a delightful evening and a stronger connection. Number 2, dancing. Dancing is a fantastic way to boost your confidence and enhance your social interactions. The way you carry yourself on the dance floor can convey confidence and charisma, making you more attractive to men. There are countless dance styles to explore, each appealing to different personalities. From the elegance of ballroom to the rhythm of salsa or the carefree vibe of hip-hop, there's a style for everyone. Think about all the social events where dancing plays a key role: weddings, parties, clubs, and even community events. These are great opportunities to meet new people and potentially find a romantic partner. Plus, being able to dance can make you stand out in social situations, showing that you're fun and full of life. Number 3, traveling. Traveling is an incredible hobby that can truly broaden your horizons and make you more interesting to men. When you embrace travel, you showcase your willingness to step out of your comfort zone and explore the unknown. This sense of adventure can draw potential partners to you. It reflects a zest for life and a desire for new experiences. Many men find it appealing when a woman is willing to try new things and embrace different cultures. Traveling also fosters cultural awareness, which enhances your attractiveness. When you can discuss various cultures and share your experiences, it demonstrates depth and sophistication. Imagine the conversations you can have about the local food, customs, or traditions you encountered during your travels. This not only makes you more interesting, but also allows you to connect with a man on a deeper level. Traveling can also be a wonderful way to bond with a partner. Planning trips together, exploring new destinations, and experiencing different cultures can strengthen your relationship. The shared excitement of discovering new places and creating memories together can deepen your connection and foster intimacy with your partner. Number 4, fitness. Being active and health-conscious is not just a lifestyle choice, it's a powerful way to enhance your appeal and making you attractive to men. Engaging in regular physical activity boosts your confidence and self-esteem. As you become fitter and healthier, you'll notice a positive change in how you perceive yourself. This newfound confidence can make you more attractive to potential partners. A shared interest in health and wellness can be a strong foundation for attracting partners. Many men value an active lifestyle, and finding a woman who shares that passion can lead to deeper connections. Whether it's hitting the gym together, participating in a fitness class, or going for a run, these shared experiences can strengthen your bond. There are countless fitness activities that are both social and fun. From group yoga sessions to dance classes, hiking clubs, or even team sports, there's something for everyone. Remember that being active not only benefits you, but also makes you more appealing to men. Number 5, volunteering. This hobby not only enhances your attractiveness through acts of kindness and generosity, but also helps you connect with men who share your values. When you give back, you naturally cultivate positive traits such as empathy, compassion, and selflessness. These qualities not only make you a better person, but also make you more appealing to potential partners who value kindness. People are often drawn to those who show genuine care and concern for others, as it reflects a generous spirit. Volunteering allows you to step into the shoes of others and understand their struggles. This experience fosters empathy, which is a key ingredient for building strong relationships. When you can relate to others' experiences, it enhances your ability to connect on a deeper level. This is the quality that many men find attractive. Discussing your experiences can deepen connections with a man and serve as a foundation for building relationships. Number 6, arts and crafts. Engaging in creative activities is a fantastic way to showcase your creativity, which can be a unique selling point in attracting men. Whether you're painting, knitting, sculpting, or doing DIY projects, your creations reflect your personality and passions. This self-expression can be incredibly attractive to many meanies. It shows that you're confident in who you are. Additionally, arts and crafts can lead to interesting conversations. When you share your artistic journey or discuss your latest project, you invite men into your world, sparking curiosity and engagement. Men love to hear about the creative process, inspiration, and the stories behind your work. These conversations can help build a connection and create a shared interest. Number 7, playing an instrument. This hobby can significantly enhance your allure and impact attraction. Mastering an instrument requires commitment and practice. This dedication reflects a strong work ethic, which is an attractive quality in a woman. When you share your musical journey with him, it shows that you are willing to put in the effort to develop your skills. Music has a romantic quality that can deepen relationships. Whether you're serenading him with a heartfelt song or sharing a favorite tune, music has a unique way of expressing emotions that words sometimes cannot convey. Number 8, gardening. This wonderful hobby beautifully reflects nurturing qualities and patience, making it an attractive trait for men. Tending to plants requires dedication and care, showcasing your ability to nurture life. This nurturing aspect can resonate deeply with others as it indicates a compassionate and loving nature. Men are often attracted to the women who demonstrate kindness and empathy, and gardening is a tangible way to express these qualities. Gardening allows you to create a beautiful and inviting space. Whether it's a small balcony garden or a larger backyard oasis, the effort you put into your garden reflects your personality and style. Sharing your gardening achievements with men can lead to admiration and appreciation, enhancing your attractiveness. Number 9, learning a new language. This hobby can significantly enhance your appeal and open doors to new connections. Learning a new language has numerous cognitive benefits. It enhances your memory, improves problem-solving skills, and boosts overall brain function. This intellectual engagement can be attractive to potential partners as it demonstrates curiosity and a willingness to learn. When you share your language journey, you're showcasing your dedication and love for personal growth. As you progress in your language learning journey, you'll likely experience a boost in confidence. Speaking a new language requires courage, and each time you engage in conversation, you're stepping outside your comfort zone. This newfound confidence can spill over into other areas of your life, making you more attractive to potential partners. So, whether you choose to learn Spanish, Mandarin, French, or any other language, dive into this adventure with enthusiasm and an open heart. You never know what exciting connections await you. Make sure to like this video to let the algorithm know you'd like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to check out the next recommended video popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.